Hi guys, today from my kitchen I'm going to show you, which is my husband going to show you how you can do a kafta shish and barbecue it without falling down off the skewer or the shish. So this is a great tip. Hi my husband.
Hello.
So can you explain please more?
Okay. First of all, as you can see, we're touching a little bit of water to keep our hand moist, so the meat won't stick to the to our hands. Now, when we put it on the shish, as you can see, you can spread it any way you like. You can make it longer, you can make it shorter. It's up to you. When it's on the shish, as soon as you put it on the barbecue, put it for like less than a minute like this on one side, and then tip it over to the other side, because that side will be a little bit kind of greenish, grayish color. So when it gets a little bit cooked, it will harden, so it will make it hold better on the shish itself. But if you leave it like this, or one of these sides, as soon as you put it on the barbecue and you leave it for like 2-3 minutes, that side will be hard, that side will be soft. Of course, the meat will shrink, and that will pull that soft meat, and it will fall down on the barbecue itself. This is how you make it. Well, you lose the shish on the charcoals. Make sure you put it for like 1 minute. As soon as you put it, even less than a minute, if it depends how much fire you have in there, how much charcoal, if it's too hot, and then just tip it over. As soon as you leave it, you could leave it for like 30 seconds and check it. When it's a little bit greenish, grayish color, just flip it over for another like 30 seconds or 1 minute from the other side, then flip it over, and then from there it will never fall off the shish.
Yeah, we tried to show you a little bit, outside. But oh, by the way, this is the kafta, the Lebanese kafta. I'm going to list down the link for this recipe if you want to try it. Just minced meat and finely chopped onion and finely chopped parsley, salt, and 7 spices, and that's it. Okay, so I'm going to show you the final look for this kafta. I'm so hungry. See you after
Still
that.
raw, you put it on there. We give it like 30 seconds to probably max to a minute, and I'll be back inside.
This is the view. The weather is so beautiful. This is before Ramadan, 2 days. Oh my goodness. Alright. So now we're going to wait like 30 seconds.
Yeah,
Okay.
probably to a minute, because the fire is not too strong.
Yeah, it depends.
Yeah, the charcoals. And you check them. You could see the color started to get a little bit like this. So what do? You keep it for another 10 seconds or 20 seconds, and then see how it goes.
So this kafta is so delicious with the...
See, now if you flip it over, it's a little bit dry,
Yeah.
and it won't fall anymore. That's it. Now
See?
it sticks to the shish like a glue.
This is special video for my friends on Facebook, and special for my bestie Dalia. So hope you like it and hope it helps. So now we're going to wait.
Yeah,
For
now you
like-
could leave it now for 1.5 to 2 minutes. It's okay. Then flip it over, and
Okay.
then you need only to watch it when it gets like reddish brownish.
Okay,
It
so
depends how good, how well done you want it.
all right.
I like it to be well done, my ones. Because
Okay.
kafta is always mixed with lots of minced meats and vegetables and stuff.
Okay, so we'll see you after that.
Okay, now it's after 2 minutes, as you can see. That's it. We don't need to turn them all over again.
Wow, that looks so yummy.
This side is technically it's done. Unless you want it a little bit more, it's up to you. But this side is completely done. We could do the other side now for another 2.5 to 3 minutes and see how it goes.
Well done.
Okay, now we're going to flip them. This is the last time we flip them over. Look at that. That looks absolutely delicious.
Wow. So each one, so
It takes about, well, you put it first between 30 seconds to 1 minute to get a little bit greenish, brownish, whatever it is. You could see the color. Depends how much the charcoal's hot. And then you just flip it over to make sure it's held firm into the shish. And then you could leave it as much as you like. You could keep it to dry it too much if you like it to be really over well done.
But this is looks moist and
Yeah, this is moist and juicy. You could see there.
yeah.
Check this out. This is close to the shish.
Wow.
So this is beautiful.
Smells
We
so
need another
yummy.
probably like 30 seconds as well, and this should
And
be
that's
done.
it. And served with fried chips.
Fried
and,
chips, barbecued tomatoes,
hummus
barbecued onion, or
and
service.
hummus. Yeah. Oh my goodness. So thank you
Tabbouleh.
guys. Tabbouleh,
Yeah.
whatever they like.
Baba ganoush.
Yeah. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and hope you like this and hope that helps. So thank you.
No
Thank
worries.
you. And
Hopefully this has helped you guys.
yeah, thank you my husband and see you soon. Bye.